Today's video is part 2 of the Hillbilly pickup truck bed. Hey folks, Sean from Old Yankee Farm, and welcome back to the channel. And I want to thank everybody for subscribing. I finally reached my 500 subscribers. I'm excited about that. Next is 1,000. Remember, subscriptions are free, and it's just so you're notified whenever I drop a new video. And it's a way of telling me what my subscribers like. Make sure you like the videos. And if you like the content of my channel, make sure you press that button, and that way I can, whenever I upload, you'll get that little red or a little blue dot next to my video or my channel, and you'll know that I dropped a new video. We have a few projects coming up, including, you can see it a little bit here, there's an update on the greenhouse on a budget, and we got a project going over there. And I have a few more things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys on my channel. So make sure you subscribe, and I really appreciate it. So now on to the Hillbilly pickup truck bed, and we're going to put the tail lights on, and I'm going to show you how we did that. So my son helped me out, and he wired the existing tail lights to the plugs to my new lights, and then we marked them because I had to stain the board that the tail lights are on. So I really can't explain how he did the wiring. That's why I had him do it. I have no idea how a lot of this wiring works. I imagine I could figure it out, but I got so much stuff to do that I don't have time to sit down and look at a schematic and stuff. But my son, it's like second nature to him. So he wired each thing up, and I stained the edge so when I put the board on. And we're going to discuss this color and how we arrived at this stain color. I know it just looks brown, but it's actually a stain. And I'll show you. I'm going to install the lights now. Here's our lights. They work nice. And then I have the backup lights. But what I also did, or had done, is they oiled my frame. They used this rust-proofing oil. It's wet still. This thing smokes like crazy when you're driving until this stuff dries. But it protects the frame real nice. So see that come out pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching, and I just wanted to make this announcement that I don't know if you remember my baby little goat that's in the beginning of all my intros. His name is George. He is now back on the farm, and he's going to be hanging out with me here at the farm, and he's doing great, and we're happy to have him.